Friends, the subject I'm teaching you is company law, and let me explain the legal framework of company law. The basis for the company law is Companies Act 2013 in India. With regard, the legal framework includes circulars under Companies Act 2013, notifications under Companies Act 2013, orders, rules under Companies Act 2013, and therein amendments under rules and e-forms. Let's go to the introduction to company law, the first chapter or the first head with regarding to this session with regarding to company law. And the topics we are going to discuss on is about company, characteristics of company, lifting of corporate veil, which is a very important topic in the session, advantages and disadvantages of company, citizenship and nationality of company, and about illegal association. About each session we are discussing. Company. The first topic is about company. We are going to discuss Companies Act 2013 with regard to Act number 18 of 2013 and therein section 220 provides a clear definition for company. With regard there, a company means the definition mentioned therein is mentioned therein section 220 of Companies Act 2013, Act number 18 of 2013. A company means a company incorporated under the Act or any other previous company law. In general saying, we can say a company as an association of persons, and why this association is created to achieve some common objects. Characteristics of a company. That's the second head of the session we are going to discuss on. Characteristics of company are incorporated association, artificial person, separate legal entity, limited liability, transferability of shares, perpetual existence, separate property, common seal, can sue and be sued by other. Okay, these are the sum of the all characteristics. We can discuss on about each characteristics and some of the important case laws regarded with therein.